Hello friends, and today we are going to model another happy little shape. And I think it's not so hard and it will be pretty much quick. That's what I always say to me, but then it became very long video. Or not. This is the third shape. We pretty much can tell that we have the same upper part that I'm gonna copy right now. And the low part. It's super easy, just this bolt thing that we already have. Let's create this thing, match the size, and let's just extrude it like that. Good. I think a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, something like this. Or no, maybe just a little bit less. Good. And I need to make it O over here. Yep, and this thing over here needs to be longer a bit than this part, but here is a little problem over here, and I'm just going to make this one shorter. Yup. I don't see what's inside of it, so yeah, I'm just making a small decisions here depending on the shape. Something like this, I think. And I'm just going to drop it here. Can I just put this thing here and yeah, match it. Good. And I definitely can see that this part have this cool trick over there. Maybe it's G2. Yep. And this one is that type of shape. 100%. I think just a little bit of it. And not for 100% there, just a little gap. Just a little gap to make it feel much better. Okay, let me see what's inside. Good. And this thing is going to curves. Although I don't really like how this guy look, so I'm going to shift exit. Oh, no, I'm going to just exit. Okay, I'm going to make this thing and drop it inside. Hopefully I can make this like that, or I don't need it. Okay, yeah, let's leave it like this. Let's make this thing like that. Good. Okay, Alt H. I think it should be the same as this one, but just a little bigger. Just a little bigger. Like this. Good. Now do this. Yeah, let's drop it to the bottom, almost to the bottom. Good. Take two of them, definitely can. Yep, somewhere over here, and make it smaller like this. Good, something like this. Yeah, this looks much better in my opinion. Small part, thin part, and almost the same parts. Good. Maybe just something here. Yeah, just to make it visually this inside. Okay, let's do a hole narrower. Yeah, I guess like this. I'm gonna drop this thing there. Smaller like this. Yeah, and another one like Oh, yep, that's good. And let's drop it there. Good. This should be like this, and this one should be bigger, like that. Yeah. This is the thing that we are looking for. Good. And the last but not the least, this small bad boy there. Let's try to take it from the previous mesh. Why not? This. Yeah. And just shift exit, figure it out. Okay. F patch. Yes, perfect. Let's take it from the front view. Yes. And just slice it off. Nope. Yeah, something like this could work pretty good, I think. Yep, let's try to do that. Cut here. See, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, here we have it. Okay. Need a circle because we want it to be more roundish. Position it somewhere over here in the center. It's not 100% in the center. Let me just adjust it a bit. Okay. And now I can just extrude this thing. Make it a bit smaller. Hey. Make it a bit smaller. Delete this thing. Like this. Yeah, and just QQ. And create this. Oh, god damn it. Create this type of. Oh, it's not connected for some reason. Let's try to. Okay, here is the interesting command that Nikita Kapustin shared. It's called find boundary edges. And what I need to do is just select this guy, F, press find boundary edges. And here is that little shit. The only way we can manage this little guy, we can just cut it out. And yep, basically now we can just select the loop on the top and press Shift J, if I correctly remember. And yep, here is our shape. Good. What is that? Oh, it's our top part. Good. Let's drop it to the top. Let's delete this thing. We don't need it. Right inside of it. Okay. Something like this will work good. Over here. Lower. Yes. Can I do this right now? Yep, I can. Good. Okay, and we are just going to create a circle here. Yeah, this one worked pretty good. I think so. Yeah. I would think that we should delete this thing. And this thing too. And go with the same circle that we created here. Just do it like this and put it on the low part. Yeah, just make it a little bit smaller. Like that. And extrude it. Yeah, here's our shape. And this thing should be... Can I get out of the isolation mode? Just a little bit like this, and I think it's a little bit shaped the way. I will just make it smaller, like this. And extrude it to the top. Yeah, so it fits there. Yep. I just need to make it, oh, yeah, something like this. Good. And what do we have here? Yeah, it's okay. Maybe it needs to be a little bit fatter. Definitely need, because it's not fitting it almost like it should. Yeah, this thing should be fatter too, and this should be a small one here. Okay, we just dive them together a little bit. Something like this will work. Yep. I think this thing should be over here, and this should be even a little bit bigger, smaller, I don't know. More on ground, and yeah, definitely not so widely big. Let's make it smaller a bit. Yeah, like this. Good. Okay, can I just join all this? Yes, I can. And a little bit of cosmetics here. Like this part should be like this. This part should be like this. This one should be like this. No, should be like this, I guess. Yep, maybe G2. G2 shape of this thing. Yeah, that's how we, yeah, you can see that definitely goes there on that angle. Good. So yeah, it's basically that shape. Just a little bit down here. Give me a second. Just drop it down a bit. Yep. And now I can create this part. I think something like this. Not even G2. Something like this. Yeah. Good. Nice way we think. Love it. Okay, yeah, that's basically the whole shape. Maybe I need a little bevel here. Just like that. To break it a little bit. Yep. And yeah, that's it. This is that part. This is that part. Let's drop it. So just make it like this. And cut it through. Good. And let's take the lower part, make it a little bit lower, and drop the bubbles here like this. Put it a little bit higher here. Yeah, and here definitely should be something like, oh, something like this. Boom. Yep. Yeah, maybe just a little bit lower, and let's make it like this, but keep the tools. Good. What do we have inside of this thing? We have something like this. Good. Nice. Yeah, now I like it. I can just also make it a little bit smaller, just to create this interesting inside view. Yeah, this is good. This is our shape. Nice. I love it. Okay, friends, that was another shape. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.